Hi, we've been talking about book clubs and the things that we do with book clubs, and today we're going to talk about marking the pages that you want to talk about. So here is a book that we have read. It's called Mooncakes, and I have marked a couple pages, as you can see, with sticky notes. The first one I marked was page 2. I wrote the page and I wanted to show that the girl was happy. So there is the page where the girl is happy, and I was able to mark it. Then I went to page 4 and I wanted to show you that the cakes are round like the moon. So I marked page 4 and I said cakes are round like the moon. So today I want you to practice marking books that you're with a sticky note, putting a sticky note on the places that you want to mark that stuck out to you or were interesting to you, so that you can share it with other people and say, I can tell that this person is happy or sad because look at this page and see how they are looking. Or I like this because it talks about the problem in the story, and here it's the problem. Or I like this page because it's talking about the solution of the story. Or I like this page because it shows the characters of the story. So it could be anything, but remember, when you mark it, put the page number down and a little bit of about that story, because sometimes your paper, the sticky notes might fall out. So it's important to put the page number on there so that if they do fall out, you can just pick it up and go, oh, I know where it is, because it says it right here on the sticky note. So don't forget um, today that when you're reading today, I want you to use a sticky note or some kind of little paper and mark a few pages that you are interested at or want to talk about. And remember to add the pages and the page number on it, and put the sticky note in. Um, Hope you have fun and read a book today and practice marking those pages.